Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Aaron, and I am the Weekend Modder here with a 3-item update for the channel and have some information to share with you guys here. So dive right into it. It is now the year 2020. The Xbox 360 has been out for 15 years. It was launched in 2005. So this year, in order to, in my opinion, wrap up the life cycle of the Xbox 360, Weekend Modder, myself, we're going to be publishing a series of 2020 videos. The first video that we're going to publish is going to be an updated 2020 how to do a Xenon JTAG, a launch model Xbox 360 on the really old 7371 dashboard, and how to go about the JTAG process of that. We're going to do non-Xenon JTAG, and then we're going to walk through at least 4 slim modifications, Coronas and Trinities, and then we'll see what progresses from there. But my goal is to provide an updated, thorough, 2020 relevant guide for each different type of motherboard and modification type. So that's number one, is we're going to have a video series coming out, a video every 2 weeks. The first one you can expect before February 15th, which is a little bit more than 2 weeks out because today's only the 27th. But I'll tell you more about that in just a second. So the second item is that to go along with each one of these video series for the updates, we're also going to be doing 2020 updates to the website. So if you haven't checked it out before, the main weekendmodder.com is where we post all of our written guides and tutorials and stuff. So you can see here that we have a lot of good stuff as far as identification guides and that sort of thing. I'm going to be making sure all of this is up to date and redone, rewritten, and in compliance with those 2020 videos that we put together. Right? We're going to have a tutorial to go with every single video. And then the other one of the other big things is that I've actually already completed kind of a quick reference guide that maybe you guys can help me share or even use yourselves. So this table that's now on the homepage of weekendmodder.com has a quick breakdown of each main console type, 360 version, Fat, Slim S, and Slim E, and then goes through each motherboard type with variations on dashboard, makes recommendations to the RGH method, provides links to the guides, and then has some additional notes and considerations that you might should take into account if you're thinking about doing one of those mods. So be sure to reference any newbies over here, check it out yourself, see if you like what I have. This will get some small updates as we work through producing a video to correspond with each one of these at the minimum, if not additional ones as well for some of the chips that we don't currently really cover. And then a lot of these links, just full disclosure, are links to my own store. We do still have store.weekendmodder.com where we're reselling products and you can pick up Xbox tools. I really appreciate if you guys choose to purchase stuff from me. You can get it within just a couple of days here in the States. But if you don't, that's totally fine. You can pick up the stuff on eBay and maybe you can still get some good knowledge and content from my videos. And then lastly, the third thing that I promised to share here is that we are going to be doing a giveaway. That first 2020 Xenon JTAG video that I mentioned, promising by February 15th, is because on February 15th, we will be giving that console away, announcing the winner. So how do you enter for that? It's really easy. You can start today. I'm just leaving it open to anybody who wants to enter. So if you see this video and you want to enter, it's just raffle.weekendmodder.com, and that'll redirect you to this Rafflecopter site. And literally all you have to do is provide them with your email address so that I have a way to contact you. You can log in with Facebook if you want. And then it gives you the option. You can view our Facebook page, and that gets you an entry, which literally is just clicking a link. And you can follow on Twitter, Weekend Modder, and that gets you an entry. So you can get 2 entries really easy right off the bat. The 2 entries that are here are just me doing a test of this, so that's why you only see here 2. And there are 17 days left. So February 15th, 2020, we'll post the announcement video on the winner of that, and you will win the console from the 2020 Xenon JTAG video that will be posted here shortly. So thank you guys for all the love over the years and supporting through the site and the store and stuff. and hopefully we'll finish this out with a bang in 2020. Get some good documentation on the website, get some good videos up there, and if you're interested, please pop over, take a look at our Facebook page. If you've been a customer in the past and you feel like leaving a review, by all means, help us out there, and follow us on Twitter if you want. But I think you can do both of those and not really, like, you can unfollow me immediately. If you just want the entry, that's totally fine. I don't care. I'm just mostly using that raffle site as a way to administrate the giveaway. So we're going to give away that console. We're going to do some videos, and we've got some website updates here. So thanks very much for hanging with us here, and have a great day.